Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you all? Hopefully, you are all doing well. Today, we are going to learn the lesson number 5 of Nurani Qaida, that is called the movements. There are three movements or three short vowels. One is Fatha, second one is Kasra, and third one is Duma. The sign of Fatha is just like this, and it is always above the letter. You can see here. Example is Alif Fatha A. You can see here. Fatha is always above the letter. Its sign is like this, and the sound is A. Alif Fatha A. Sound is A sound. It is always above the letter. The second one is Kasra. Kasra is always below the letter. Where is Kasra? Below the letter. And sound is E. Sound is E and sound goes down. E. Kasra is below the letter or under the letter. And sound goes down. And sound is E sound. Alif Kasra E. Alif Kasra E. The third one is called Dumma. Dumma is also a short vowel. And example is here Alif Dumma U. The sign of Dumma is just like this. And the sound is U sound. It is always above the letter. Above the letter. Sound goes around. Sound goes around. Duma is present above the letter. Sound is U sound and sound goes around. Example is Alif Duma U. So it becomes A, E, U. Alif Fatha A, Alif Kasra E, Alif Duma U. Ha Fatha Ha, Ha Kasra Hi, Ha Duma Hu. Okay, now we are going to sing a song of short movements or short vowels. Fatha, Kasra, Duma, A, I, U, Ha, Hi, Hu. Dear students, repeat with me. A, I, U.
A, I, U.
Ha, Hi, Hu.
Ha, Hi, Hu.
A, I, U.
A, I, U.
Ha, Hi, Hu.
Ha, Hi, Hu.
Ga, Ri, Gu.
Ra, Ri, Ru.
Kha, Khi, Hu.
Ra, Ri, Ru.
Ga, Ki, Ku.
Ra, Ri, Gu.
Ka, Ki, Ku.
Ka, Ki, Ku.
Ja, Ji, Ju.
Ja, Ji, Ju.
Sha, Shi, Shu.
Sha, Shi, Shu.
Ya, Yi, Yu.
Ya, Yi, Yu.
Do, Di, Du.
Do, Di, Du.
La, Li, Lu.
La, Li, Lu.
Na, Ni, Nu.
Na, Ni, Nu.
Ra, Ri, Ru.
Ra, Ri, Ru.
To, Ti, Tu.
To, Ti, Tu.
Okay. Fatha have A sound. So Alif become Alif Fatha A. Kasara have E sound. It becomes Alif Kasara E. And Duma have U sound. It becomes Alif Duma U. Ha with Fatha becomes Ha. Ha Fatha Ha. Ha with Kasara becomes He. Ha with Duma becomes Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu. A, I, U. Ha, Hi, Hu. A, I, U. E, U. Ha. Ha. H for ha and fatha sound is a, so it becomes ha. Kasara is always below the letter, sound goes down and sound is e. So ha kasara he. Ha duma hu. Ha he hu. Ga ri gu. Ga ri gu. Kha have fatha, so kha sound is fatha have a sound. Kha it becomes kha. Kasara have e sound, it is always below the letter, and kha becomes khi, and duma is always above the letter, sound goes around and sound is u. Khu. Kha khi khu. Kha khi khu. Qa ki ku. Qaf fatha qa, kaf kasara ki, kaf duma ku. Fatha have a sound, it becomes ka. Kasara have e sound, it becomes ki, and duma have u sound, it becomes ku. Ka ki ku. Next is ka ki ku. Ka ki ku. Next is ja ji ju. Ja, jim, and alif sound of fatha is a, it becomes ja. Kasara is below the letter, sound is e sound, and it becomes ji. Duma is above the letter, sound is u sound, and it becomes ju. Jim duma ju. Ja ji ju. Ja ji ju. Sha. She shu. Sha. She shu. Sha she shu. Ya yi yu. Ya yi yu. Ya have fatha, sound of fatha is a, and sound goes up, ya. Kasara means the sound of kasara is e and sound goes down, it becomes ji. Ya, ji, and duma is always above the letter and sound goes around and sound is u sound, so it becomes yu. Ya duma yu. Da di du. La li lu. Lam fatha la. Lam kasara li. Lam duma lu. La li lu. Noon fatha na. Na. Ni. Nu. Na ni nu. Ra ri ru. Ra. Ra have fatha, the sound of fatha is a sound, sound goes up and it becomes ra. Ra fatha ra. Ra kasara ri. Ra duma ru. Ra ri ru. Ta ti tu. Ta ti tu. Ta ti tu. Okay, my dear viewers, hope you